This is a video on how to read out surron diagnostic codes. So normally the bike comes with a little diagnostic harness that plugs into the battery connector here. You see, unplug this, plug in the harness, plug it into here. And that harness has an LED on it. And it turns out, so I lost that many years ago, and it turns out the LED actually, all it does is it goes from the purple wire to the green wire there. Green is ground, and purple is labeled COM, C-O-M-M, in the wiring diagram. So if everything's normal and good, the LED will blink once every about 2 seconds, and this is considered one blink. It'll blink rapidly some number of times, wait 2 seconds, sort of pause 2 seconds, and then blink again. So like I said, this is normal. Now if I was to do something like unplug the throttle here, which is this one, throttle's unplugged. Now we have a look at the LED. Let's catch it. We'll start counting as soon as there's a 2 second pause. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 2 second pause, and it just keeps repeating. So that's 15 LED blinks, and that corresponds to error code, I believe it's 211, which means the throttle voltage is shorted to ground. Now, of course, that's not a short, but the throttle voltage would be 0 volts in that case. Most likely there's a pull-down resistor in the motor controller, which brings it down to 0 volts if it's unplugged. Okay, so yes, to see this visually, I'll hook up this oscilloscope probe here, and you can see it visually over here. Now we have to wait for that 2 second pause in order to start counting. Ignore the first set there because I hooked up the probe midway through. But here we go, 2 second pause. Another 2 second pause. But if you go through and count these pulses, that's 15 pulses. And you can see, sort of zoom in here. So it's roughly 1 second between each pulse. Okay, I hope this helps somebody. In this case, I'm troubleshooting. The bike is cutting out. I'm losing power either at speed or at rest, and the throttle is not responsive. So this is probably something that would be handy to permanently install in the bike. So if you're out on the road, your bike cuts out, you could get an idea what's going on. All right, hope this helps somebody.